Quaker Social Action has been in the East End since 1867. About 60-odd% of the beneficiaries that we support are based in East London, but we also are able to provide services nationally as well. We are a charity which supports people primarily on a low income with practical, quite simple projects that help them to really get on in their life. A lot of it is helping them materially, so financially, and we have a number of projects that support financial capability, financial education, but also emotionally and psychologically as well. We set up a practical project called Down to Earth, which very simply supports people on a low income to get an affordable and meaningful funeral. A lot of people get themselves into significant debt to fund the cost of a funeral. And people don't necessarily understand what the component costs of that are. It's not necessarily clear what the component costs of it are and what they legally need and what can be, what can be done by themselves or their friends and family as well. People can contact us from anywhere in the country to use that service. And we've been looking to improve the way that service is delivered by enhancing the digital options available through it. So we're working quite a lot to ensure that there are information tools and resources online so that the scope of the work that we do can actually expand substantially without us having to also substantially increase our infrastructure. And from the experience of running that, we saw that there was actually a structural problem in terms of funeral pricing. The level of inflation was just consistently higher than general inflation. And there's no regulatory oversight of the funeral industry. From this practical project, there's an opportunity here to really campaign on this issue and try and work with the industry and government and start to look at the structural reasons for those increasing prices and start to actually bring them down. It's the only campaign we run, and we're very clear that we are a practical service delivery organisation. However, where there's a reason for us to step into a space around campaigning, it is something that we would look at doing.